Good afternoon to everybody. Respected Sri Vinod Kumar Panchalji, Sri Anand Swarup Bharadwaj, Lieutenant Colonel R.K. Zimanji, Sri Brij Sharmaji, Visham President Sri Mohan Acharya, special invitees in the auditorium, brothers and sisters. We cannot start any function of Visham without remembering our beloved late Sri P.V. Krishnan Sahib, the father figure of Visham, who had played a very crucial role at every stage in the evolution of our Sabha. As you all know, he left for his heavenly abode on the day of our annual function last year. Sri Krishnan Sahib's complete dedication to Sabha's work, his unyielding adherence to principles, and his strong willpower have always been an inspiration to all of us. Though he is not physically not with us today, his fond memories are fresh in our minds and will remain there forever. We are dedicating today's program to his memory. May I now request all of you to stand at your places for a minute in silence and pray for the departed soul. That with the cooperation of our members and the invaluable advice and unstinted support from our sister organizations and well-wishers, we have been able to fulfill most of its objectives. In the Delhi Development Authority as Superintending Engineer, during his career he has undertaken a number of prestigious and multifaceted projects which are the landmarks in the history of DDA. As an administrator and social activist, his achievements are par excellence. Actually, there is a strange mixture of rubber and steel in his nature. Last year, Visham honored him by conferring upon him with its highest award, Visham Samaj Ratna, in recognition of the outstanding contributions in the field of his profession and to the society. He has now conferred a great honor on us by having consented to be the chief guest in today's function. On behalf of Visham and on my own behalf, I extend a hearty welcome to Sri Vinod Kumar Panchalji. Sri Anand Kumar Bharadwaj doesn't need any introduction, particularly to an audience of this kind. Sri Bharadwaj, Director of Vishwakarma Research Center, is an outstanding scholar of English, Hindi, Sanskrit and Urdu literature. He has contributed several books on various subjects, which includes history of Vishwakarma, history of Ramvidyas, Vishwakarma, who is who, Vishwakarma, Digdarshan, Vishwa, in recognition of his outstanding social activities. He will be felicitated here today for his recently published book, Kalyan Gita, on Swami Kalyan Devji Maharaj. And two of his latest books will also be released here today. We are happy to welcome Sri Bharadwaj, who has always provided unstinted support and guidance for all the endeavors of Vishwa. Sri Bharadwaj for quite some time now has been telling us that we should arrange a combined function including cultural programs, just like a North-South Sangama, so that our relations develop still further. I am very happy to announce that we will shortly having that function sharing the same platform. The date and venue of the special function will be intimated to you all in due course. Every year on this occasion, the Sabha honors a few personalities from different walks of life who have made outstanding achievements in various fields by conferring upon them Vishwam Awards. This year, we are honoring two such personalities. One is Lieutenant Colonel Rakesh Kumar Dhiman. He is a doctor by profession working in Army Dental Care Center, R&R Hospital, New Delhi. Though Colonel Dhiman is very busy with his official engagements and duties, he somehow finds time for his social activities, especially for the development of our community. He is a very simple man with great ideas. His dream is to do something daring to the society, especially for Vishwakarma Samaj, so that people, the possible help can be extended for Vishwakarma Samaj. And I congratulate him and extend a very hearty welcome. The other personality who is going to receive the Vishwam Award today is Shri Brijmohan, partner of Polygraph Engineers and Managing Director of JPS Plastics India Private Limited. He is a very kind and compassionate and very affectionate gentleman. Shri Brijmohan Sharma is an asset to the community. Strengthening and upliftment of the community finds an important place in his heart. On behalf of Vishwam and on my own behalf, I heartily welcome him and congratulate him for the award. Today we have a few guests from our sister organizations, not only from Delhi but also from far off places. I can see Mr. Vishwanathan from Bhilai, who is the National Working President of Artisans Federation of India. Then Sri C.V. Dayanandan from Payanur, all the way from Kerala. Mr. Ved Prakash Panjalji of National Victor Public School. And so many distinguished guests. I am not taking everybody's name. They will be introduced to you by our Ved Prakash Panjalji and Mr. T.K. Ravindran. I would like to use this platform to acknowledge with deep gratitude the invaluable support and guidance we have been receiving from these organizations and individuals, and commit ourselves to continue and strengthen this fruitful alliance in the times to come. I, on behalf of Vishwam, extend a hearty welcome to all our special invitees, my brothers and sisters, children, and members of the media who are present here.